Hey guys, this is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So let me quickly introduce myself for those who don't know me yet. I've been working as a professional trader on the option market for the past 6 years in Hong Kong, and I've decided to create my YouTube channel a few months ago because I want to pass the knowledge. I want to show you how pro traders are actually working, how we do our analysis, what kind of tools and techniques we can use to make money on the market. So if you want to know about all this stuff, you guys are in the right place. So today I want to make an update on Gamestop, GME technical analysis. Let's get into it. So this is my chart for Gamestop. So the first thing, let's start on the 4 hours time frame. Don't worry, we don't need all this drawing, but I like to keep it because it's actually helpful, guys, to predict what will happen. So I like to keep my old drawing and to, just adapt to what happens. So here, I was saying, so I'm on the 4 hours time frame. Only look here, guys. This is what is happening right now. This is what is interesting. I was telling you guys that the 50 period moving average was containing the price and that this is the resistance we have. And right now I saw something else. So first you can see that it acted very well until the 1st of April. Here we have this open that was very, very low. But guys, you can see that there was no breakout of this resistance. For breakout to occur, we need to have 2 consecutive candles on the time frame we're looking at that are closing above this resistance level. So here we have one, but the second one, for example, the green one, you can see. So this is the resistance level, guys, the 50 period moving average. I identified this resistance level here, guys, and you can see that until now it is working. We have not broken it yet. When we will, things will change. You're gonna see. For now, we are trading below. Here we trade above one time, but right away, guys, we correcting and we close below. Here same thing, we close below, and we are now trading below. So guys, this is this one you need to look at. All right, so here we close above, here below, and I expect this to continue to act as a resistance as long as we are trading below this level. Now, what else can we see on this chart? Something that I put here in orange, guys, it's a descending triangle. So descending triangles usually occur in fourth waves. Here, it's actually in the second wave, all right? So very quickly, Elliott wave counting is showing me this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, and then we go probably to 480 on the 3, 4, 5. The third one is going to be the most impulsive one. All right, we're doing a 2. This is not what I want to show you right now, guys, but keep this in mind. You're going to see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 happening, I think, very soon. But for now, we are doing a triangle, all right? So it's a second wave for me of this new impulse that is starting. So what are we looking for? We're looking for either we break the 160 level on the short term, which is probably going to mean that I was wrong somewhere here. I'm going to adapt and I'm going to, just show you what I see if this happens, but I don't think it will happen. I think that 160 is going to act as a short-term support. Once again, our long-term support is 170. I need to change the time frame to use this one, but you won't see a daily close below 170 in my scenario. You can see 4 hours close, but not a daily close. So that's why it's very important, guys, to switch from one time frame to the other one and not using the same trend lines and same support and resistance. We have support and resistance for each time frame. Here on the 4 hours time frame, I have this one. So 160 is my support level. And here I have my downward sloping trend line, which I really like to use, guys. They are working very well. I showed you guys how this worked out very well here. You see, we broke it, we retest it, and we go higher, all right? This is how those downward sloping trend lines are working. So when you identify one, and you can see that here the price is contained in this triangle, usually associated with volumes going lower. We're gonna have a look at that. Then you know that this all makes sense and that you are probably correct about what you are saying. So here what I'm saying is that the price is going to keep contained and suddenly there's going to be a breakout. So either on the downside, which I don't believe for all the reasons I showed you guys in all my videos. So I believe it's going to be a breakout on the upside. So something like this, all right? Maybe bam, 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 and bam, bam, and bam, okay? breakout, retest, we go higher. This is going to be the third wave. Now, to finish on this video, guys, I was just talking about the volumes, and the volumes are very important, guys, to look at, especially on a stock like GameStop. And I showed you guys this already in my previous video. I here can identify a pattern, all right, that is quite obvious, is that before each move up, you know, you have this kind of early signals of volumes going higher, then lower, and suddenly we have a breakout. But then you see we have something like this. And look at this, guys. Stronger volumes associated with a very strong bullish momentum appearing in the market, and then volumes going lower when the price action is getting lower, all right? This is meaning that we are in a healthy correction, that the price action should keep going higher, that we're probably going to have some continuation patterns, and that they're probably going to give us some bullish signals. Here we have the same thing, guys, and you can see the time is actually making sense as well. 1 month roughly between 25th of Jan and 25th of Feb. And then, all right, the 25th of March, we had this. So it's an early signal. So, you know, we could have done something like this, all right? And then it would be perfect. But I prefer to do it like this because here we have this strong, and once again, the bullish day that we had on the recovery from the 30% drop we had on the earnings on the 24th of March. The bullish day was the one associated with the high volumes, all right? So this is bullish again. And here I expect actually the volume to kick in again, guys. And when they're gonna kick in, it's not gonna be a bearish day. I don't believe it, because the bearish days have low volume. So I believe we're gonna have a strong bullish day. I believe it's when we're gonna break out from this triangle that is in orange here, and that is gonna push the price higher, probably around the 300, 400 area. I showed you guys that we have a very important expiry day. Once again, we have expiries coming every month. So it might be not this one, but something is telling me that this one is going to be huge because I have all the other indicators that are indicating me that something big is going to happen. So I believe it's going to be on the upside. And I showed you guys once again that if we go close to 400, we're going to have some short positions bared by professionals that are close to what they were when we had this first squeeze. So this is a level where a squeeze might happen again. So let's find out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the sub, like and bell button so you're gonna be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. I see you guys.